Let's see how we trigger a flow manually, and we will understand soon when we should use it. We have here trigger flow that is triggered manually, and we add the inputs. And here it's, for example, it's 3 text fields. To create a flow manually, I'll create usually from a solution new cloud flow, and it will be instant. And let's call it, for example, send WhatsApp message. And I'll select here manually trigger a flow and create. And in the input, we need to add the variables. We can add here an email address and then send an email, or I can add here text field. It can be a phone number. These are the attribute names, and I'll add here message. Next step here will be for the demo terminate, or next step here will be send an email. And here in the trigger I will add here an input email address. This is email, and in send the email I will send here an email to the user email, to the email field in the trigger, and the body will be the message. Here this is the message parameter. Subject will be new email from, and let's add here the mobile phone that we have entered. Let's save and see how we run it. And usually we run manual flows as a child flow from another flow. If we have the same procedure that we need to run it from different flows, we will create a child flow that is started manually, and then the other flows will have an action to start a child flow. Let's run it now manually, and now we have our parameters. We can put here phone numbers. The message will be this is a demo, and this will be our email address. You can type here any email that you want and run this flow. And now, if the flow runs successfully, we should receive now an email. And here is the email that we have sent from the manual flow. In this flow, we learned how to trigger a flow manually.